The previous tutorial on Printfriendly.com focused on using the website to simplify prints into shorter, more focused documents for printing from a computer. This tutorial is going to cover the implications of Printfriendly.com for iPad, particularly for Notability. We want students to be able to read or annotate an article that they find online on their iPad as well. You can access Printfriendly.com on a browser in Safari using your iPad the same way you would using a browser on your computer. The conversion process is going to be the same too, where you go to Printfriendly.com and copy and paste the URL of the site that you're trying to convert. The converted document will look like what you see here. To begin the process of bringing it into Notability, you'll just need to take your finger and tap somewhere near the top of the article, as I'm doing right now. When you tap the top of your screen, you're going to get a menu near the top of your page up here offering some options for opening up your PDF file in another app. What you're going to do is tap on the option on the far right hand side that says open in ... which is right here. When you do this, it's going to open a handful of apps that you could use to open up your file. We're going to choose Open in Notability, but do note some of the other options available to you. Depending on the apps that you have on your iPad, you might have a number of options that could be useful to you in a different situation. When you choose to open your PDF in Notability, it opens up the Notability app and gives you a menu for importing the document. It gives you the option to create a new note, which would make a brand new note for annotating, or if you're trying to add this to another document, you could select Add to Another Note. Once you've made that choice, it then gives you the option to select a page range that you would like to add to Notability. Most times I would choose the entire page range available to you so you get the entire article, but if you have a very long PDF document, it might be a good idea to consider breaking it up for your students into smaller pieces. Make your selection and then click OK. Once you've done that, the process is complete. Now students can interact with the PDF document that you created using Printfriendly.com in Notability as they would any other note. They can highlight, they can annotate, they can type, or do any of the other functions that they could in Notability. This makes Printfriendly.com useful in several ways. You can use it as a tool for simplifying your prints, or you can use it as a tool for bringing web articles into Notability for students to use on their iPads.